Good evening friend, this is my first video. Today we will discuss about the absorption of the drug. So basically what is absorption? So absorption, first we will define what is actually absorption. A passage of the drug from site of administration into the circulation. So what is absorption? So whenever we take drug, then how it is absorbed, so that is called as the absorption of the drug. So define what is different: passage of the drug from the site of administration and to entering into the circulation. Then what are the factors that affecting absorption? So number one factor is dissolution time. So dissolution time, whenever the dissolution time increases, the rate of absorption will be decreases. So as the name suggests, dissolution time means the breaking time. As the breaking time of the drug is increased, the absorption of the rate of the absorption is decreases. Second factor is particle size. So as the particle size increases, the rate of absorption will be decreases. Because as the size of the any material, either drug or particles, is size will increase, then the rate of absorption will be going to decrease. Then third factor is lipid solubility. So as the lipid solubility increases, the rate of absorption will going to increase, because as the membrane are lipid soluble, so the drug which is more lipid solubility, which having a more solubility, then the rate of absorption will be going to increase. Then fifth one is pH and ionization. So ionized drug, the drug which is ionized are poorly absorbed, and the drug which are unionized are lipid soluble and well absorbed. So what is saying in this? The drug is either ionized or unionized. The ionized drug are poorly absorbed, and unionized drugs are lipid solubility. Lipid soluble is more. So as we discussed, lipid solubility is more, then rate of the absorption will be more. Then fifth one is the area and vascularity. So area and vascularity of drug, area and vascularity of absorbing surface. So as the area increases, as we know, whenever the area is increases, there will be rate of absorption will going to increase, because rate means simply speed. So as the area increases, more the area increases, the more the rate of the speed of the absorption will be more. Then another point is gastric emptying. Gastric emptying means, simply gastric means stomach. So stomach emptying, if the stomach emptying or gastric emptying is increases, means if the gastric emptying is increases, then the rate of absorption will going to increase, because the absorption occur in the intestine, because absorption occur in intestine. So that's why if firstly the gastric, if the firstly stomach empty, then the rate of absorption will be going to increase. Then seventh point, which is presence of food. Presence of food. So whenever the food is present in the stomach, whenever presence of food in the stomach delays the absorption. How? Because it delays the gastric emptying. Presence of food in the stomach, whenever the food is present in the stomach, it will delay the gastric emptying, and once the gastric emptying is delayed, then the absorption will also delay. And last point is the disease of gut. If there is a disease in the gut, then also there will be a delay absorption of drug. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, then let me know.